And this is just some of the question from some of the customer they will usually ask me is, so I know ViewPoint and Sage is on premises, right? So what are the benefits? You know, if I'm someone using ViewPoints or Sage, what are some of the benefits for me to move to the cloud base?
Yeah, now keep in mind, Sage does have a cloud-based option as well, right? And so I know they're expanding their product lines. The clear benefits of going with a cloud-based system is you lower your maintenance cost in terms of having to maintain the server, upgrade the server. I talked to a prospect a few weeks ago or a few months ago actually, and they're looking at $15,000-$20,000 to upgrade their servers, obviously going through the process of that, migrating the data, doing all of that. So there's that clear benefit of it. Takes that off of your company's responsibilities, and it's put into the cloud. Now, the other side, of course, even with servers, we can do the remote access anywhere, but just knowing, with true cloud-based, you can really access anywhere in the world, as long as you have a good connection, browser, you're in, obviously your mobile app, right? So there's that added benefit that that's not something you have to do. I know in the past I've gone through VPNs to get into it, and they're just quite slow and the performance is lacking.